Nana.
All therefore.
Nana.
In Penford say, you must be visa.
Who win my pound for her? And now say, ya bass say better was it. Oh, I the fair why I may in tea. Sans a winning her crane ho. In so too, a real bull. Wo and obey a hobby. See, so we are high and anticipating on your bano. I said that.
All therefore, none of that was it. 7 for page of fine. All therefore.
Nana.
All therefore.
Nana.
Asamo.
Asem.
That's what train.
Nana.
All therefore. Asamo. Asamo. Asamo.
Assemble, Nana.
All therefore.
Nana.
And say, Mobako. Now, search no. Monsambra.
Nansa. What come at it?
Epio.
Na Nansa doesn't do a main tree one on what form. Maybe who would answer me by Saba. Namabiti and some papa. Oh, my. A better coin.
Epio. Or one money.
My wife, this meal is very delicious.
Thank you, my husband.
As we have gathered here this evening, I wanted to inform you and your sister that tonight at 10 o'clock precisely, the town criers will be out. There will be purification of this land. And if any of you are being caught outside, you don't know what is going to happen to you. Your head may be taken off for sacrificial. You know, we just returned back, and we are in the village, but we are still strangers because we don't know the custom well. Especially you and your sister. Stop. It's okay.
Oh, shall but send me. Kroma mantie nyina pese o mene metwa ba. Kese masoma obi aso mbefre o mbra o pese o beba sho yere no ho.
Mami, see. Enye se bia ofre mi na me ma bi. Me nya ma bi se.
Na die enti.
Me pra he. Maka cho se, mani eda wo so. Mani na oba no so. Ye wo pa bia me ya ma. Me si me hu si a na ma me hu a na se. Kese bibi ya ye me oba.
She, me sorry kwa me fia me bra ha. Me fu so na ye da ho no mo. Kese o pese o be ya ma me.
Aw, mama. Empra he, me pese o be ye hwe. Aha ye fi, mi am pra he. Wo fu me to ni nyina he. Me wi a me ko nsu ama. E de na o pese me nye. So o pese me do share chire kwa me do be she.
Se wo pese me ja o dia, ene me ja o. Bidi o ya me ja o.
Cheme me ba. Me pra cheme. Me fro say. Mama. No kwa do sura no.
Kisura no kwa na me say me kwaje fa makaka. Bibi ene se mama bi pie. Project ni no. Mama kuma sheme na. Me tonsu. Te mama kuma tu. Me France kwa.
Maluki.
Oh, talk about salmon on a for a camel. A pellet, Jack Pellet to it. A penny when we call a poor pay a corner. You must call the other bird. A penny talk with a glow when we now a poor payer. A cock on the other bird. A cock on over the blackbird. A penny. What?
You're welcome to my home. Thank you.
Again, as a father.
Yeah, he's the one that I was talking about, the young man.
Oh, Nancy. I've been hearing about you, sir. You're welcome again in my home.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You see, here you can come at any time, okay?
Yeah.
Yes, you can come at any time.
Maybe I should buy and say, what's your next? He said, no,
Oh, what brought you in my humble house? In my home?
What do you mean by that? Make penny more. Make our help when I make them what I can. Make your house.
Okay.
Don't buy.
Okay. You have said everything. If I give you this money, how are you going to pay back the money?
Oh. Menya dia bro, menya.
A piece of land somewhere. I know in this village you people have a lot of land.
Sasi mini bio. Ini asasi.
Then that one is good. You give me. Let me talk with my wife first.
Mati.
My wife. Do you think it's good to give money?
Let's try it. Let's give me the money and see.
Okay. If you said so. But okay. John Nancy, let me come in. My wife, I think you should be the one to give him.
You are Janancy. We were sending farmer.
Hey! Ita samoa.
John Nancy.
Obo ade won sraw.